Imagine Bob. Bob lives in a world where everyone wants an egg. If there's only one egg, that egg is rare. It's valuable, but if everyone starts producing eggs everywhere, the egg becomes common. It's not as valuable anymore. This is demand pull inflation. Now, if Bob and his friends all suddenly want more eggs, but the farmer only has a few, the price of that egg skyrockets because it's rare. That's cost push inflation. If the demand stays the same, but the farmer has a bad season and fewer eggs to sell, the price goes up again because eggs just became a luxury. This is production cost inflation. Bob buys his egg, Bob eats his egg. Life is good. Bob tells all his friends about the egg store. Now everyone is rushing to buy every egg in sight. The farmer tries to plant more feed and build more coops, but guess what? The seeds and the wood just got more expensive, so the farmer raises the price of the egg just to cover his own costs. This is monetary inflation. Now imagine the demand is the same and the supply is the same, but suddenly Bob has way more leaves, cash in his pocket than usual. The egg price goes up because those leaves aren't worth as much as they were yesterday. This is hyperinflation. The price of the egg goes up, so the government, let's call them the big leaves, decides to print even more leaves so Bob can afford his breakfast. Bob buys more eggs, but the farmer raises prices again to keep up with the madness. The government prints more leaves, the farmer raises prices. The government prints more, the prices go up. This is getting ridiculous. Eventually, the government burns all the leaves and starts making sticks as the new currency. A total system restart. Now look, inflation isn't always a monster for Bob. If Bob's pile of leaves grows at the same rate as the price of the egg, Bob is happy. If his leaves grow faster than the egg price, Bob is rich as hell. But if Bob's leaves stay the same while the egg price moons, Bob is poor. Bob is sad. And the truth is, Bob is all of us. To beat the system, Bob shouldn't just hide his eggs. He needs to invest them so they grow more eggs over time. Sometimes the economy gets really over easy. Subscribe to Me vs. Money or the system will eat your breakfast.